So state whether the following pairs of lines are parallel or not. You may assume that the lines are not coincident. Okay, so we will follow the same process. We're going to follow the same process, and then we solve the equation, and then we use it to determine. So we equate both of the line. So as usual, we're going to be writing what we have. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the question is A. So we have R1 equal to 2 minus 5, 3 plus T into minus 1, 3, 2. And then we have R2 equal to 3 minus 6, 5 plus mu into 4 minus 12 minus 8. Okay, so we want to find whether they are parallel or not. Okay, so by inspection, let's see if we can inspect. So the line therefore, okay, so let's see if we can get some parallelity. So the lines are parallel. Solution: the lines R1 and R2 are parallel if they have the same direction. Okay, they have the same direction, not necessarily the same magnitude. Okay, so let's see the magnitude, or if they are scalar multiple of each other. Okay, so look at the direction of the first one. B1 is minus 1, 3, 2, and B2 is 4 minus 12 minus 8. Okay, so this is the same thing as multiplying by 4, which is 4. If you factor out 4, we have minus 1, 3, 2. Okay, which is equals to minus 4 of B1. Okay, so by this conversion, we can see that the lines are parallel. So since the direction B1 is equals to minus 4 B2, then it implies that uh, the lines here, the lines are parallel. So parallel, so we don't need to find intersection. Of course, since they are parallel, they will not intersect. So that's the point there. So we don't need to do anything, just conclude that uh, they're parallel. So that means that before you solve anything, make sure you check the conditions first before you assume parallelity. So let's check for this line as well. We have R1 equal to 201, okay, plus T into minus 3, 3 minus 2, and R2 equals to minus 5 minus 1, 2 plus mu of 6, 5, 2. So let's check if this line will be parallel. Check the direction. So the direction are not related, so they are not parallel. So we have to solve intersection. R1 equals to R2. Okay. So equating both sides, so this is what we are going to have. We have that R1 equals to R2 implies that uh, 201, okay, plus T of minus 3, 3 minus 2 equal to the other one, minus 5 minus 1, 2 plus mu of 652. Is that what we have? Is that what we have? Okay, so that's what we have. 652. So let's combine and equate. So we have 2 minus 3t 0 minus 3t, 1 minus 2t, okay, equal to minus 5 plus 6 mil, minus 5 plus 6 mil, minus 1 plus 5 mil. Okay, so this is plus, this is plus. Plus times minus is minus here, this is minus, this is plus, and this is 2 plus 2 mil. Okay, yeah. So if we equate the corresponding parameters, we have 3 minus 2 minus 3t equals to minus 5 plus 6 mil, and 3t equals to minus 1 plus 5 mil, and 1 minus 2t equals to 2 plus 2 mil. So let's call this equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So we could do, if we add equation 1 and 2, so if we add equation 1 and 2, we can eliminate t. So equation 1 plus 2, we have 2 plus 0 equal to minus 3t plus 3t will go, minus 5 plus, so we have minus 5 plus minus 1, okay, plus 6 mil plus 5 mil, okay, and that will be 2 equals to minus 6 plus 11 mil, okay. So 6 plus 5 is 11, right? Minus 5 plus minus 1, that is minus 6, and this will go, so that is what we have. So if we add, we have 8 equals to 11 mil, so mil equals to 8 over 11, and then we can find the value of t now. So 3t equals to minus 1 plus 5 mil, so 3t equals to minus 1 plus 5 multiplied by 8 over 11, so, which is minus 1 plus 40 over 11, and that will be minus 11 plus 40 all over 11, which is minus 29. So that's plus 29 over 11. So if we divide by 3, we are going to have t equals to 29 over 33. Okay, so these are the value of t. What are we asked to find? State whether the following pairs of line are parallel or not. So of course we've seen that the line are not parallel, and so the lines are not parallel, and they intersect, and the value of intersection is 29 over 33, comma, and the mu equals to 8 over 11. Okay, so this is how to solve this kind of problems. So we're going to stop here, guys. So I would like that we take this one as classwork. Okay, try it out, check whether the lines are parallel or not. They are not parallel, check whether they intersect. Okay, so